Good morning students, a warm welcome to Sheba online class. The today class is the first chapter is numbers. The topic is whole numbers. Okay, now we are see about the whole numbers. The collection of counting numbers, the set of 1, 2, 3 is natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by n, capital N. Okay, in this collection includes 0 as well as then the collection of 0, the set of 0, 1, 2, 3. This called the whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by W. Okay, what can I say? The counting of numbers means is nothing but this is a natural number. எப்பவுமே நம்ம ஒரு புக்ஸை கவுண்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர்லேருந்து ஒன்லேருந்து நம்ம பண்ணுவோம், ஜீரோலேருந்து பண்ண மாட்டோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த கவுண்டிங். அதனால தான் நம்ம கவுண்டபிள் நம்பர், அதனால தான் நம்ம கவுண்டிங் நம்பர்னு சொல்கிறோம். திஸ் இஸ் a natural number denoted by n. And 0 well as then the collection of 0 can included 0, the number is whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by W. Then we have to see properties of whole numbers. So take a page number 29. So what are the properties are there? Commutativity of addition and multiplication, and second property is associativity of addition and multiplication. Third property, distributivity of multiplication over addition or over subtraction, and next is identity for addition and multiplication. Now we are going to see about commutativity of addition and multiplication. Commutativity means is nothing but a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, let us assume that a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7. This portion and this portion as well as equal, then it is commutativity is satisfying addition. Okay, so a is 5, b is 7, then as well as b is 7 plus a is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12 is equal to 7 plus 5 is also 12. So 12 is equal to 12. This is also a 12. So we have to write commutativity of addition is satisfied in this property. Okay, then the question is commutativity of addition and multiplication. Multiplication means is nothing but a into b. Commutativity of multiplication is a into b is equal to b into a. So let us assume a is equal to 5. Then b is equal to 7 is equal to b is equal to 7. Then a is equal to 5. Then 5 7s are 35 is equal to 7 5s are 35. So as well as this and this proper or the equal. So இதுவும் equal. So commutativity of addition and multiplication is satisfies in this properties of whole numbers. Next, the second part is associativity of addition and multiplication. Okay, associativity means என்ன integers a, b and c. Associativity பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எப்போவுமே 3 integers தான் இருக்கும். So I mean 3 numbers. So the format is a plus b plus c open bracket a plus b plus c is equal to a plus open bracket a plus c open bracket b plus c close bracket. Okay, this is the associativity of addition. Okay, addition means let us move to plus. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So let us assume a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 3. Let's come to substitute this values. A value is a5. So 5 plus the first priority எப்போமே நம்ம brackets தான் கொடுக்கணும். Okay, so 5 plus 7, b value is 7 close bracket plus c is 3 is equal to a value is 5 plus b value is 7 and c value is 3. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus first priority is bracket. So first number add பண்றோம். 7 plus 3 is 10. So 12 plus 3 is 15 and 5 plus 10 also 15. So associativity of addition is satisfied in this property. Okay, then we have to check multiplication is satisfied in this property or not. Multiplication is format is this: a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. A into b open bracket a into b close bracket into c is equal to a into open bracket b into c close bracket. Okay, let us assume the same value. A is equal to 5. 5 into b value is 7 into c value is 3 is equal to a value is 5 into b value is 7 into c value is 3. Then 5 into 5 sevens are 35 into 3, then is equal to 5 into 7 3s are 21. So let us multiplication in this term and this term. 35 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, then 1 10. So 105. 105 is equal to, we have to multiply this term 21 into 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 105. So this property, associativity of addition and multiplication, is satisfied in this properties of whole numbers. And next I have to move to distributivity of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Over addition or subtraction. So the format is a into b plus c. So this bracket only in multiplication. A product, a multiplication of b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is the format for distributivity of multiplication. So a value is 7 into b value is 5, 5 plus c value is 3 is equal to a value is 7 into b value is 5 plus 7, a value is 7, c value is 3. So into 3. Then 7 into 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is equal to 7 5s are 35 plus 7 3s are 21. We have to multiplication in this number. 7 8s are 56 is equal to 35 plus 21. We have to adding the number 56. So distributivity of multiplication over addition is satisfied in this property. Next, multiplications of over distributivity of over subtraction வந்து பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So a value is 7 into b value is 5 minus 3 is equal to a into b 7 into 5 minus a value is 7 into c value is 3. So 7 into 5 minus 3 is 2, then is equal to 5 3s are 35 minus 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 2s are 14. 35 minus 14 is obviously 14. Okay. So distributivity of multiplication over addition or subtraction is satisfied in this property. Next we move to the identity for addition and multiplication. Let us see in page number 32 in your book. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. Similarly, when we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. So 0 is called the additive identity and 1 is called the multiplicative identity of whole numbers. Okay, I repeat, when 0 is added to any number, we get same number. When 0 is added to any number, we get same number. Then similarly, when we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. Multiply any number by 1, the answer is the same number. We get the same number. So 0 is called the additive identity and 1 is called the multiplicative of for whole numbers. Okay. Then let us see about exercise 1.5. First and second is one word. Okay. So next the third Roman letter is name the property being illustrated to in each of the cases given below. So two cases are there. We have to find out the name the property. Okay. First is 75 plus 34 is equal to 34 plus 75. So we have to write 75 is A. So A and 34 is B is equal to 74 is B, 34 is B plus 75 is A. So a plus b and is equal to b plus a is, what is the property is, this is the commutativity property. Commutativity la enna property idu, subtraction or addition. This is having only a addition. So this is the commutativity for addition. So we write commutativity for addition. And next is 12 into 4 into c, open bracket, 12 into 4 close bracket into 8. 8 is equal to 12 into 4 into 8. This is a, let us assume a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. So first we have to check this is product or multiplication or not. So this is the product, not a plus. The product irundhuchina, this is a multiplication. This symbols are having the multiplication, and this is the integers are 3 integers a, b and c. So நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன் 3 integers இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஸோ அதோட பேர் என்ன, அசோசியேட்டிவ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ we have to write associativity for multiplication. This property is associativity for multiplication. Because this is product, so we have to write multiplication. This is the associativity for multiplication. The next is third, 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. So 50 ஆல இந்த நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு என்ன வரும் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் 50. அந்த 0வால் எந்த நம்பர் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஆட் பண்ணாலும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 50 தான், அதே வேல்யூஸ் தான் வரும். என்ன நம்பர் நம்ம ப்ரீவியஸாக நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோமோ ஸோ அதே வேல்யூஸ் தான் வரும். திஸ் இஸ் த ஐடென்டிட்டி. So which is the identity? This is 0 is the this is addition. So this is the 0 is additive identity. And which it is fourth sum is 50 into 1 is equal to 50. Obviously 50 into 1 is equal to 50. Then this is a product into 1. So product into 1 என்றதுனால 50 ஆல எந்த நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு என்ன வரும் 50. 1 ஆல நம்ம எந்த நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் அதே நம்பர்ஸ் தான் நமக்கு வரப்போகுது. So 50 into 1 is equal to 50. Then this is 1. So 1 is இது என்னது மல்டிப்ளிகேட்டிவாக இருக்குது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த, ஸோ 1 இஸ் த என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க மல்டிப்ளிகேட்டிவ் identity. So this is the additive identity, this is the multiplicative identity. So next fourth subration, fourth Roman letter is use the properties of whole numbers and simplify. We have to use the properties in this whole numbers. Property நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு and then we have to simplify. So what is the property? எந்த property நம்ம இதில் யூஸ் பண்ணலான்னு பார்ப்போம். So 50 into, so 102 நம்ம எப்படி பிரிக்கலாம்? So whole numbersலேருந்து 102 we have to divide it 100 plus 2. So then 50 multiplication of open bracket 100 plus 2, we have to multiply the 50 into this part and 50 into this part. So 50 into 100 and then 50 into 2, then 50 into 100, then this is a plus, so we write the addition, then 50 into 2. So 50 into 100 is plus 50 into 2. This is which is the property a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is the distributivity of the multiplication over multiplication oda addition property ன்னு சொல்வாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதோட நம்ம சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணணும். இப்போ 50 into 100 is 50 into 100 is 5000 plus 50 into 2 is 100. 5000 plus 100 is 5100. Okay, so we have to simplify in this sum. So property use பண்ணியாச்சு, then next is simplifyயும் நம்ம பண்ணியாச்சு. So next sum is 500 into 689 minus 500 into 89. So let's see 500 இருக்கு. ஸோ இங்கேயும் வந்து 500 இருக்கு. ஸோ காமனாக நம்ம வெளியில் எடுத்துடலாம். 500 into, so open bracket 689, so minus 89. ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூஸ்லேருந்து நம்ம வெளியில் எடுக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா இங்கேயும் 500 இருக்குது and this values is also 500. ஸோ minus is the center values. ஸோ சென்டர் நம்ம எழுதியாச்சு. 500 into 689 is 500 into 89. ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூஸை நம்ம இப்படி எழுதலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் 50 into 89 is 500 into 89 is 500 into 89. அது சேம் இதே மாதிரி தான் அதுவும் நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம். சரி ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதே மாதிரி தான் அதுவும் இருக்குது. பட் இது வந்து இது சப்ராக்ஷனில் இருக்குது, ஓவர் சப்ராக்ஷனில் இருக்குது. தென் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், 500 into 689ல 89 போயிடுச்சுன்னா 600. Then we have to multiply this. So 0 அப்படியே வரும், 0 then 0 then 6 5s are, so இந்த 0 வரும், இந்த 0வும் அப்படியே நமக்கு வந்துடும். 5 6 are 30. So this is the value for, so this is the values for this value. ஓகேவா? ஸோ எல்லாமே முடிச்சாச்சு. ஸோ இந்த 4th ரோமன் லெட்டர் வந்து அடுத்த 2 சம் வந்து ஹோம்ஒர்க். ஓகே, ஸோ நல்லா போட்டு பாருங்கள். we have to check the notebook and check the videos. Any doubt you have to ask me in comment section. Okay, I hope you are all understood in this section, exercise 1.5. Okay, let us see the next class. Thank you.